The era of silent AI videos is officially over. Today we're testing Seedance 1.5 Pro on jxp.com. This isn't just another video generator, it's a multimodal powerhouse that generates cinematic 4K video and synchronized audio simultaneously. We're talking about millisecond precision lip sync, Hitchcock-style camera zooms, and a level of motion realism that actually makes sense. Let's dive into the dashboard and see if it lives up to the hype. So what's new in 1.5 Pro? Unlike older models that stitch audio on later, this uses a dual-branch architecture. It hears the scene while it sees it. If a car screeches, the sound hits at the exact frame the tires smoke. It supports over 8 languages for lip syncing and gives you professional camera controls, pans, tilts, and even the famous dolly zoom, all from a single prompt. Let's put the text-to-video engine to the test with a high-detail cinematic prompt. I want to see how it handles environment and audio sync. Prompt: a cinematic wide shot of a medieval blacksmith hammering a glowing sword, sparks flying with every hit, loud metallic clanking sounds, dramatic firelight, 4K. Notice I included sound cues in the prompt. Seedance 1.5 Pro is specifically tuned to follow shot language prompting. It understands subject plus motion plus audio. Look at that! The sparks fly exactly when the audio clinks. The temporal consistency is incredible. The sword doesn't warp and the lighting is stable. That is production ready. Now for the secret sauce, lip syncing. I'm going to upload a static photo of a character and have them speak. This is perfect for social media creators or AI influencers. Prompt: a close-up of this woman speaking directly to the camera, saying, "Welcome to the future of AI video." Clear lip sync, natural blinking, soft ambient office noise.
Welcome to the future of AI video.
Check out the mouth shapes. It's not just a generic flapping, it's forming the actual W and F sounds. The eyes are expressive and the identity stays 100% consistent with the original photo. Now let's push the semantic understanding of Seedance 1.5 Pro to its limit. Most AI models can only handle one action, but here we're going for multiple consecutive actions in a single shot. Prompt: a chef tosses a pizza dough into the air, catches it, spreads tomato sauce with a spoon, the camera focusing on the pizza, and then the pizza is blurred and camera focus shifts to the chef, who is looking at the camera with a proud smile. Look at that continuity. It didn't jump cut or lose the pizza dough. It understood the logical flow of the actions. This is massive for creators who want to tell a story without 50 different clips. Next, let's test the direct dialogue feature. Instead of uploading an image and syncing it, I'm going to include the speech directly in the text prompt. Prompt: an old sailor in a yellow raincoat standing on a foggy pier. He looks out at the sea and says, "The storm is coming, boy. We best head back." Deep, gravelly voice, sound of crashing waves.
"The storm is coming, boy. We best head back."
The fact that it generated the character, the voice, the atmosphere, and the lip sync all from just those few lines of text is incredible. No extra steps, just one prompt. One of the most requested features for professional editors is start and end frame control. This allows you to define exactly where a scene begins and where it lands. I'll upload this photo of a closed treasure chest as my start frame, and this photo of the chest overflowing with gold as my end frame. Prompt: the chest slowly creaks open to reveal the treasure inside. Cinematic lighting, gold shimmering. See that? The AI filled in the motion path between my two images perfectly. It didn't just fade, it actually animated the transition. This gives you 100% control over your composition. Final test: advanced camera control. Let's see if we can get a 360-degree rotation. Prompt: a futuristic sports car speeding on a desert highway, 360-degree orbital camera rotation, loud engine roar, dust kicking up behind the wheels. The car stays centered while the world rotates around it flawlessly. No AI hallucination or warping on the car body. This is a huge win for car commercials or product showcases. Seedance 1.5 Pro uses a credit system on JXP. A 5-second 1080p clip with audio usually costs around 200 to 250 credits. They have a free tier to get you started, but the Pro plans are where the real power is unlocked. Final verdict: It's the best tool I've seen for creators who need sound-on content without the editing headache. It's fast, accurate, and actually fun to use. I've put the link to jxp.com in the description so you can try Seedance 1.5 Pro yourself. Let me know which of these 3 demos was your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI breakthroughs. See ya!